So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna just show you how I do my everyday makeup look. I'm not going anywhere, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway. So as you can see, I already went ahead and did my brows off camera because I just can't do my brows on camera. It's just, I feel like it's gonna take me too long, and I have no time to sit down and edit a 20-minute brow tutorial. All I did was use a e.l.f. brow pencil in the color neutral. This is it right here, and I use that to draw on my brows. And then I use my Tarte Tape Shape concealer in the color deep to clean it up, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, let's get into the tutorial. First thing I'm gonna use is, I'm just gonna use my moisturizer to moisturize my face, and this is the Avalon Organics Renewal Cream. And then I'm gonna use my NYX setting spray. It's the dewy finish one, and I'm gonna spritz my face with it. I just always think that this helps to keep my makeup on. The foundation that I will be using today is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 355. I'm just gonna use a brush, and I'm just gonna buff this into my face. Now, I don't really cover my spots, like if I have any spots, because I don't do cakey makeup really, so I don't mind like seeing a few spots here and there in my face. And I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the color deep again to highlight under my eyes right here, on the bridge of my nose, under my nose, my chin, and my forehead. I'm gonna highlight a little bit of here. Then I'm gonna take a small makeup brush, small makeup fluffy brush right here, and I'm gonna blend that out. And I'm gonna also use my buffer brush to blend that out, kind of tapping it in. So I'll just go back and forth with brushes. Sometimes I do it, but sometimes I just use the same brush that I used to do my foundation to do my concealer, but this one is a little big. I usually have the more rounded brushes, so you know, it can get like under your eyes and stuff. This is more just like a defined type brush. Then I'm gonna take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm gonna set everywhere where I place the concealer. I'm using the same brush that I used to do my foundation. I'm also gonna use this powder to set my eyes, because earlier I had put on a little bit of the foundation there. And then I'm gonna brush away all this powder. Then on to the next step is to contour, and I'm gonna contour with this powder, this brown powder. It's called the Perfect Brow Eyebrow Makeup Kit, and it doesn't have a brand, but I'm always using it to contour. You can use any dark brown shade, and pretty much that's just what I do. And I'm gonna use this angled fluffy brush to do that. And I'm also going to use this brush to contour a little bit of my nose. I don't really overdo it, but so I just squeeze my brush. I know you can use a small brush, but I don't know, I always do this. I squeeze my brush and then I contour my nose with it. a little preset so that makeup on my face doesn't move. And I'm using my setting spray. This is the Dew formula. And we just want that to dry down. Now onto my eyes. All I really do for my eyes is just pop on some eyeliner and pop on some lashes with that. I'm gonna use the liquid eyeliner by Diamond Cosmetics. It looks like this. So now that the eyeliner is done, I'm gonna take my black eyeliner by Diamond Cosmetics, not the liquid kind, and I'm gonna use that to line my waterline with this. And then also I'm gonna put some strokes under my bottom lashes just so they can be more dramatic, and you'll see why I do that. And then now I'm gonna do the strokes under my eyes. I'm gonna do about 4 on each. And I do this because when I put on my mascara, it'll just look like my bottom lashes are more full. Then I'm gonna go in with my liquid liner from earlier, and I'm gonna do an inner corner cat eye pretty much. The next step I'm gonna do is put on some mascara, and this is also Diamond Cosmetics mascara, I think it is, or an e.l.f. mascara. Any mascara will do. Last but not least, for the eyes, I'm gonna pop on some lashes from keylashes.com. That's my lash line, and these are in the style called Maddie. The last thing I'm gonna do is just highlight my face and then use my setting spray to set my face. And this is the palette that I will be using, a palette by Juvia's Space, and I'm gonna use this color right here called Kofi. This is the Afreet palette by Juvia's Space. And the last thing I'm gonna do is just put on some brown lip liner and my Fenty Gloss Bomb lip gloss, and that will be pretty much it.